When God decides to bless a country, He sends the best leader there. And especially this year, 2026, when we are talking on the day of 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan. I am really glad that this year we have a lot to talk about and a lot to, appreciate the leadership of this country. So first of all, when we look earlier, of course, there were so many celebrations. There were so many people celebrating this day. As always, we all grew up celebrating 14th August. But I want to mention a very, very important thing in this year, 2026, at the day of 14th August, because we are now the more stronger Pakistanis, the more blessed Pakistanis, because of course we have achieved so many things in this year. Starting from, the previous year, winning the war against India, handling everything, becoming the most powerful defensive power. And on the other side, of course, going through all that, we have grown up in a way to achieve the best image globally. And on the other side, of course, in this year, when the Iran-US war was there, Pakistan has played the most important role, becoming the mediator and achieving the title of global peacemaker, saving the whole country from that chaos. And on the other side, today, when Pakistan is there, Pakistan has done the Makkah Agreement, the Joint Defense Agreement, the Defense Pact, which has connected Saudi Arabia, Turkey along with Pakistan, and became the more stronger Pakistan, the more stronger region here. And of course, Pakistan has achieved so many titles in this year, 2026. So right now, I want to say that every Pakistani is free to live because Pakistan has given us so much. There are so many sacrifices when we look like since 14th August 1947 and today in 2026, there are multiple martyrs. There are multiple armed forces who has worked and sacrificed their lives. There are so many soldiers who have sacrificed their lives. Those parents who have sent their children to become the soldiers and to save Pakistan, to become the defenders for Pakistan, we salute all of those families, all those parents, all those mothers who have raised such brave children, such brave boys, such brave women to raise the flag of Pakistan. And right now, living in Pakistan, we are very, very proud enough because this year, especially in 2026, we are the more stronger nation. We are the more defensive. And we can achieve anything what we plan because Pakistan is now not that Pakistan which was earlier. This is more stronger. This is more bravery. It shows more bravery. And you know what? That living in Pakistan, when we see that there are so many problems around us, but still we are handling everything and we are planning for the best for Pakistan and for the best for every citizen living in Pakistan. And one more thing which I want to add is that, of course, we have to salute all those armed forces, all those leadership qualities, especially the efforts, the restless days and nights and efforts of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, the CDF, and who has, he is sacrificing his life for the betterment of Pakistan, for the better future of Pakistan, and for every person living in Pakistan, and for every person who is living outside Pakistan, but he or she is the overseas Pakistani. He is working really hard for our image, which we actually show globally. And on the other side, of course, our political leadership qualities, our armed forces, all the security forces. This is the day we need to celebrate and we need to salute all those people who are working hard, the women who are working as doctors, the women who are working as police officers in armed forces. All those women are actually the leaders of Pakistan. Every child is the leader of Pakistan because he is the future of Pakistan. And this day in 2026, 14th August, we have a lot to say worldwide. We have a lot in our box which we can share that what Pakistan has actually achieved. So long live Pakistan, Pakistan forever Zindabad. And I want to say that every person who is living in Pakistan should celebrate this day. As you know, this is the more bigger Pakistan. This is the more effective Pakistan. This is the more brave Pakistan. And this is the more blessed Pakistan. So long live Pakistan. Happy Independence Day.